So friends, let's come to the topic. uh, as you have already read the thumbnail, that our today's topic is which is the best video editing software for Android mobile. So I just want to mention before starting the video that if you have an iPhone, you can also download it from Play Store, in fact. And as we have an Android mobile, so we will go to the Play Store simply. And as you are watching the video, you have to open it and you have to just write KineMaster. And for your idea, you have to keep in your mind that this is the logo of the KineMaster video editor. So you have to just install it first and then open it. As it is already installed in my mobile, so I will just click on open it. So friends, this is the KineMaster desktop, and at the right, these are the videos which I have already published, and at the left, this is the option you have to click for the new assignment. Simply, you will just click it and you will have some options. So you have to go to 16:9 for the YouTube desktop video size. Simply, don't confuse on it. Just click on 16:9 for the YouTube. So friends, this is the KineMaster video editing software at your video. For your idea, I will just click on media, and I would like to give you some idea that this is the background, favorites, cloud storage, your downloaded videos, images, your WhatsApp videos and images, your camera video and images. Do whatever you want to do. You can add, you can split, you can merge videos, even you can add bell icons. And definitely when you have a YouTube channel, you have lots of ideas to do something special for your video. You can add anything, whatever you want to do. But before watching the demo of the KineMaster video, I would like to mention, please subscribe my channel and press bell icon, so you will get notified for the next two videos of TNU Techs regarding the KineMaster videos. So my next two videos will be about how to merge two videos and how to add bell icon and increase channel subscription. So thank you very much. Subscribe my channel and you will get notified for the next two videos I will upload. Thank you.